Welcome to Smart Stock Watch, your go-to channel for in-depth financial analysis. Today is January 30th, 2025, and we're diving into Robert Half's latest earnings report for the fourth quarter of 2024. Joining us is John, our senior analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me. Robert Half, a leader in specialized talent solutions and business consulting, has just released their Q4 2024 financial results. I'm excited to break down the numbers and discuss what they mean for investors.
Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the top line. Robert Half reported revenues of $1.382 billion for the fourth quarter, which is a 6.2% decrease compared to the same period last year. John, can you elaborate on this?
Certainly. The decline in revenue is primarily due to a decrease in demand across several segments, including finance and accounting and administrative support. Despite this, the company managed to maintain a stable gross margin, which is a positive sign of operational efficiency.
And what about profitability?
Net income for the quarter was $54 million, translating to an EPS of $0.53. This is slightly below the analyst's forecast of 54 cents, but it reflects the company's ability to manage costs effectively amidst a challenging economic environment.
Segment performance and strategic initiatives. John, let's talk about the performance of Robert Half's different segments. How did they fare this quarter?
Protiviti, their consulting arm, showed a 5.3% year-on-year revenue growth, which is impressive. It highlights the demand for their consulting services. However, contract talent solutions and permanent placement solutions saw declines, with revenues of $785.5 million and $108.1 million, respectively.
What strategic initiatives is Robert Half focusing on to navigate these challenges?
The company is well-positioned to capitalize on emerging opportunities, particularly in the U.S., where business confidence is rising. They are leveraging their strong brand and unique business model to support clients' talent and consulting needs effectively.
CEO insights and market position. Robert Half's CEO, M. Keith Waddell, shared some insights in the earnings release. What did he emphasize?
CEO Waddell highlighted that the company's revenues and earnings were in line with expectations, driven by Protiviti's growth. He also expressed optimism about the rise in U.S. business confidence and the company's ability to support clients through their industry-leading brand and services.
And how does Robert Half maintain its market position?
Robert Half continues to be recognized as an industry leader, recently being named one of Fortune's most admired companies for the 28th consecutive year. This accolade underscores their commitment to excellence and their strong market position.
EPS forecast and analyst expectations. John, let's discuss the EPS forecast and how Robert Half performed against analyst expectations.
Analysts had forecasted an EPS of 54 cents based on a survey of 6 analysts. Robert Half reported an EPS of 53, which is a slight miss. This minor discrepancy can be attributed to the challenging market conditions and the revenue decline we discussed earlier.
Does this slight miss significantly impact investor sentiment?
Not significantly. While it's always preferable to meet or exceed expectations, the company's overall performance and strategic positioning remains strong, which should reassure investors.
Key takeaways. As we wrap up, John, could you provide a brief summary of Robert Half's performance and investment prospects?
Despite a challenging quarter with a slight miss on EPS, Robert Half's strong market position and strategic focus on emerging opportunities make it a resilient player in the industry. Protiviti's growth is a positive indicator, and the company's accolades reinforce its leadership status.
Thank you, John, for your insights, and thank you to our viewers for tuning in. If you found this analysis helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Smart Stock Watch. We'd love to hear your thoughts on Robert Half's performance in the comments below.